Systems of inequalities have one or two variables in the equation. On a graph, these equations are a shaded part on the graph. For one variable inequalities, there is only one side of the line is shaded, but for the two equations, there are three shaded parts, with two parts are solution to whichever of the equations, and the one part of the solutions to both equations.
For the systems of inequalities, some key definitions are the solutions of the system, which are the set of values that can be substituted in the equation to make the inequality true, and another definition are the systems of linear inequalities, which
is two or more linear inequalities that has a limit to the set of values that make the inequality true.
Really, Brandon?
What?
Why, Brandon? Why?
Stonegood wants to create mushroom soup. To make the soup, he needs mushrooms and cooked chicken. The closest source of mushrooms and cooked chicken is a nearby trading village. Each mushroom costs 5 emeralds and each chicken costs 15 emeralds. Stonegood only has 120 emeralds. Stonegood must purchase 9 mushrooms in order to meet his mushroomy satisfaction in his soup. So to solve his problem, Stonegood creates a system of inequalities. The system of inequalities is 5m plus 15c is less than or equal to 120, and m is greater than or equal to 9. So to find the amount of mushrooms and chicken he should buy, he graphs the set of inequalities. So according to the graph, he uses the combination of 9 mushrooms and 5 cooked chicken to use in his soup, which will cost him his whole 120 emeralds. Okay, I'll have 9 mushrooms and 5 chicken, please. Alright, that will be 120 emeralds.
Alright, so this is the M12 Light Reconnaissance Vehicle and the M290 All-Terrain Vehicle. They are commonly known as the Warthog and Mongoose. The Warthog emits 1.5 pounds of CO2 gas emissions, and the Mongoose emits 0.5 pounds of CO2 gas emissions. The UNSC wants to make at least 500 miles, but at the same time wants to make at most 400 pounds of CO2 gas emissions.
Why can't we call it a Puma? Alright, fine. In order to solve this problem, we can graph the inequality, and as you see, the two lines intersect at the point 150, 350. The right side of the graph means that the number of miles for the Warthog and the Mongoose meet the goal of less than 400 pounds of CO2 emission, but does not meet the goal of driving more than 500 miles.
The blue section of the graph shows that it meets driving more than 500 miles, but exceeds the amount of CO2 gas emissions the UNSC wants to limit. However, the purple section of the graph shows that it meets both goals. So that means that the miles driven to meet both goals for the Warthog and the Mongoose is the purple section. An example of a solution is 100 miles for the Warthog and 450 miles for the Mongoose.
Wait, which is faster?
Brandon, that is a question for another time. So yeah, that's our project. We hope you guys liked it because we worked hard on this with all of the filming and stuff.
The end.